So yung source ng lindol noong June 8 is the Cotabato Trench. So itong Cotabato Trench is one of the 6 active trenches that we have in the Philippines. Kabilang nandito yung Philippine Trench, Luzon Trough, Manila Trench, Negros Trench, Sulu Trench, and then ito nga yung Cotabato Trench. So lahat ng mga trenches na to are capable of generating magnitude 8 and above earthquake. So yung nangyari noong June 8, it was magnitude 7.8. And ang pinakamataas na intensity na na-record natin is intensity 8 sa may General Santos City and other parts of Sarangani.
Right, ito bang isa in the past say 5 decades, 7 decades, 6 or 7 decades, no? Kasama ito sa top 5 na pinakamatinding tumama sa atin?
Yes, so nagkaroon tayo noong 1976, nagkaroon tayo ng magnitude 8.1 na event. That was August 17, again, 1976. And in fact, this year, we'll commemorate yung 50th anniversary of that event. May mga activities tayo nakahanda sa August. But at that time when it happened, nag-generate ito ng tsunami. Umabot ng 8 to 10 meters high and around 8,000 people died.
All right. Okay. So yung isa pang preliminary na pagtatanong dito. Naalala niyo yung July 16 Keller quake 1990? Tumama sa Aurora hanggang doon sa Baguio at pati Bicol ay ramdam ito sa Southern Tagalog. Ganon kalawak. Ito ho, itong June 8 na earthquake through Cotabato Trench, gaano kalawak ang apektado?
It affected almost yung entire Mindanao and it was felt as far as Southern Leyte. So ganun kalaki yung shaking, ganun katindi yung shaking na naramdaman sa start. Felt in as intensity 2 in Abuyog, Dulag, Javier, and Palo, Leyte, Inundayan, Dibagon, St. Bernard, and San Francisco, and San Juan, again in Southern Leyte. And it was felt even as far as Arcar City in Cebu.